So my neck has gotten really, really worse. And it's just, I wasn't even able to open the door, their chicken door this morning, so I had to have my parents open it. Hi, babies. Here's here are the chickies. Alright, let's go, you see right there? There's an egg. So let's see if there's any eggs anywhere else. How about in the nesting box? Alright, let's see. Looks like someone was in here. But there's no egg. Okay. Let's check this one. Look at that. Oh, come here. Oh, man. Oops. There's the egg. That's so cool. I need to put more hay in here to cover like this. Okay, there's an egg. Alrighty, so I looked inside the coop and there's no eggs in there. Oh, the little ones were getting food and then they got chased off. That's what happens. Ugh. There's another piece. Sorry, getting distracted by little glass. So here's another little egg. So that's cool. Alright, do a sweep here. Man, my neck is still so stiff. Alright, well. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so there's 2 little eggs.